Hi crafty friends, Tammy Bird with Stampin' Savvy here to share with you the June card class. This month our featured bundle is Countryside Corners. It is an all-purpose die set with border stamps and it is fabulous. So this month's class is going to be a little bit different. There is no sentiments in this bundle, so you are going to be able to pair them with any sentiments that you have. The beauty of the kit is that it will work for men and women and virtually any occasion. So it is really limitless on what you can make. So let me show you a few of the cards that we'll be making in the class, as well as the kit of supplies. So option one is going to include our featured bundle, which is the Countryside Corners background stamp, so that you've got all these beautiful borders that match the Countryside Corners dies. And as you can see, this is a fabulous layering set. So I'm going to be sharing with you in the class 7 different ways that you can use these dies and the stamps to get a ton of mileage. We're going to be putting these 7 savvy ways to use with the cards that we're going to be making. And then you'll be equipped to get a ton of mileage from this bundle after the class is over. So the first option is going to include the stamps and the dies, and then it's also going to include the kit of supplies. So I put the kits together. It is a whole set of coordinating Stampin' Up! Products. Typically, it makes about 10 to 20 cards, and the beauty is that you have the creative control to use these supplies to make what you want. You pair them with the tutorials to make the projects and the cards that you want. So the feature pattern paper this month is the beautiful Countryside Inn Designer Series paper, and it is double-sided, so you're going to get the 6 double-sided sheets, and they're going to be 6 by 12 this month. So they've got these really quaint blues in the countryside patterns on the one side, and then some really great kind of neutral or all-purpose patterns that you could use for masculine cards here on the reverse. Then you're going to get 12 sheets of coordinating card stock in 5 different colors, and then we're bringing in the shimmer texture paper. I don't know if you can see this beautiful luster and shimmer that's on these. We're going to be pairing this for some beautiful accents, and then the navy bordered ribbon. So this is the kit. And then if you order the option 1 with the bundle and the kit, it's going to come with the Countryside Blossoms embossing folder as a free gift. Option number 1 is your savvy choice. Not only will you save a little bit, also going to get the free gift. Option 2, if you've already got the bundle, or you've got something similar that you would like to use, you can just order the kit of supplies that will make all of the cards, and then you'll get the class tutorials as well. Option 3, if you would like to use all of your own supplies, you can get the class tutorials on their own. So let me show you a few of the cards that we'll be making in the class. I don't know if you can kind of peek. Here is my basket. I have 22 cards in this basket right here, and I'm going to just show you a few of them. This cutie right here is a shaped card. We're going to be making this, and I'm going to show you how to emboss your envelopes, as well as pair the Countryside Blossoms embossing folder with one of the patterns in the Designer Series paper. Here is a bonus card that uses the free Savvy sketch that is featured this month. And again, because there's no sentiments, you're going to be able to pair it with whatever you want. You're going to see me feature the Courage and Faith new stamp set. Absolutely in love with this one. This is one of the card tutorials, and this one is so fun. It kind of unfolds It's an accordion card and it unfolds to reveal the different layers. So again, we're going to be using some of those 7 savvy ways on that card. Here is another card that we're going to be making. And then this is also a bonus card that was using leftovers. So that's just a few. Hopefully that will whet your appetite. Like I said, there is lots more. There's 5 card designs that are featured in the tutorials. And then at this point, I have more than 10 bonus ideas, bonus projects to share with you as well. So if you would like to learn those 7 savvy ways to use this fabulous bundle, then I hope you'll join me for the June card class. The ordering special will be June 6th through 12th. That's for options 1 and 2 with the kit. It's 1 week only. They do typically sell out, so I do encourage you to order early. My email subscribers get first dibs. Sign up for my newsletter if you are not a current subscriber. Thanks so much. I look forward to sharing this month's kit with you.